Go live now, quickly. Also 380. Here we go. This is going to growl, I think. Oh, God, son. 330 this is. She's growling, baby. Kuwait Airways going to Kuwait City. It's Kuwait Airways, okay. I ain't seen them for ages, they're 330s in tow. Oh, she's turning, but... Go on, son! Oh, she was growling, man. What's her altitude? She's 6, isn't she? Or 7 or 10? Looks like a London Heathrow arrival. Let me know where the 380 is. She might growl as well. Okay, not stopping yet because I've got an Emirates 380 as well. Oh, mate, Kuwait was so loud, man. She was growling. Because of the weather, possibly. Hope she comes this way, mate. Oh my God, here she comes. Oh, this is going to be loud. 380's low, baby. Oh, look at this, folks. Folks, turn up your device. Here she comes, the big boy. Look at the size of it, mate. Here we go, guys. Here he comes. This is going to be loud. This is going to growl by the sounds of it. I don't know, but here we go. Stay silent on this. Look how low he is, mate. He's about 100 feet, isn't he? Look how low he is. Wow, that was so loud, mate. Emirates 380, mate. Listen to that. That's the howl, baby. Probably because of due to weather conditions, I think. Must be the weather, possibly. She's going to fly now, the 330. Bit like London here, isn't it? Yeah, apparently so. She was screaming over the top. People can walk down the road can hear it.